So, I went and got this thing because J-Boy took it out. He didn't even waste no time. He went out and had it out in the mud that next day, whatever. But I'll tell you what, though. You can tell this dude really uses his four-wheeler. Because, look. I mean, come on, man. You're killing me, dude. There was so much mud in the wheels that I couldn't get the socket in. You know. It just wouldn't go in because there's so much mud and stuff. It's like, God. So now I got to deal with all this. But the reason it come back, yeah, busted axle. You know, the boot's all tore to shreds. I don't know. We may have got, yeah, there's chunk. Yeah, that joint's just pulled out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you know, I'll get a better shot here in a minute. Alright, so I got it off and oof, almost fell. Yeah, I would say it's broken. I mean, I didn't even pull on it. It just fell right off. So damn, J-Boy. I mean, yeah. So, alright. I gotta pull it out and uh-oh. I don't know where my Jeep keys are. What's up, creep? What you doing, bud? What you doing? Oh, and here was the other thing that he did. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna reset, but he said just put air to it, and if she holds, she holds. So I'm gonna, yeah, I don't know if she's gonna hold, but I'll put air to her. So once again, we used our local, got the Armor Tech axle, because this is the one. See, there's a box of the other one. This is the one we put on this back lift here, and it survived whatever he did. So, but they're the, you know, they're the only ones that guarantee it next day. So, you know, so they definitely, and they are the machinist I use. I'm probably not going to tell you all that, but so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that strap I used last time was here, and I didn't feel like undoing my waders because it seems like, I don't know, it's just not gonna undo it. So I used the ratchet strap, right? And to keep this from, you know, hanging and then popping straight and hitting, I put this bungee cord here. Let me tell you what, if not for that bungee cord, I'd have been dodging this axle. That sucker come out, man, it come flying at me. I almost died. Or I almost broke something. And then I have to tell my wife. And then I have to move in with Woody. Nah, we ain't moving in with Woody. But, so, yeah. So, I don't want to say safety first because I don't really think that's very safe. But, yeah, it worked. Alright, so that sounds really screwing with everything. So I've got to change the spark plugs. You know, he's just got the NGK whatever's. Don't know. You can see it right there. And it's like, man, come on, dude. So I get to clean this thing a little bit because we do not want, you know, anything to drop down in that cylinder. So, and I don't feel like hooking up the power washer, so we're just gonna spray it out. Probably the most boring video ever right here. Yeah! Kind of fun though. Alright, so I was going to change the plugs, and oh yeah, I can see that a lot better on my camera. There's so much mud, and I don't want to pull the plug out. And I know he's wanting to ride today, and I've got to take all you know, the whole front plastic's off, fuel tank off, just so I can verify that I get all that mud out. And so we're just gonna let him decide. No mud. Awesome. So I got this tire reseated using dead blow and ratchet. And I was gonna go ahead and air up all those other tires, but I think we got problems. But, I mean, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah, you can definitely see that. So, so I'm not even gonna air up the rest of the tires. But on here, yeah, it says blah blah blah, low pressure flotation tire. Use bead locking wheels. Bead lock wheel. Do not exceed 20. Whatever. So that's probably why they're not staying on. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure. I'm sure my Outlaw 2s probably say the same thing. But I don't ever air them up. So yeah, use bead lock wheel right there. So, but if we'd check the pressure on mine, yeah, there ain't no pressure in them at all. So I don't ever air them up. I just run them flat.